Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be showcasing my love for cooking and give you guys all the tips and tricks how to make a very easy, quick, delicious meal at home. So today I will be preparing jerk salmon with butter asparagus and some red potato. So this is my salmon and these are my seasoning. This is my jerk sauce. Some all-purpose seasoning here. This is the butter for the asparagus. And this is the jerk seasoning. And this is also salt and some garlic. And I've got some black pepper here. And that's my asparagus. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start marinating my salmon. I washed it already. So I'm dashing in my all-purpose seasoning. And also my garlic seasoning with the salt. I'm gonna leave the sauce for when I put it on the grill, and I'm gonna put in my jerk seasoning to marinate. I'm just gonna put my butter aside and also the jerk sauce. Now I'm gonna marinate my salmon. There you go, all done, quick and easy. I'm just gonna set this aside to prepare the rest of the stuff that I'll be cooking today. So now I'm gonna cut my potatoes. I'm gonna cut them in cube, whatever size you would like and whatever shape you like. It's up to you, but I'm cutting mine in this shape just to go with my salmon. I'm just gonna boil two. You can always have it with something else if you would like. So this is how I chop my potatoes. So I'm just gonna put them in the pot until I'm ready to boil, just preparing it. So when I'm ready to boil, I would just add the water, make it quick and easy. So I'm just gonna set this aside. And for the asparagus, there's not much to do really. I'm just gonna cut the lower bit of it, just cut it off, nice and straight, set that aside. And I'm just simply gonna wash it. I'm gonna set it aside on the plate until when I'm ready to grill my asparagus with my salmon and my red potatoes. So see you in a few, guys. I'm just gonna let my salmon marinate at the moment, about half an hour, 15 minutes to half an hour to let the salmon marinate, and then we're gonna go ahead with the cooking part of it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna boil my red potatoes. So I'm gonna add some water from my kettle. I boiled the water in the kettle to make it quicker. So So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna boil my red potatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt just for taste. And I'm gonna cover and I'm gonna leave it there to boil. Okay guys, this is my potato boiling. I'm not gonna stir it too much. Yeah, that's my potato boiling, just checking on it. So guys, I'm just checking to see if my potato is getting soft, and it is getting soft. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for another 2 minutes and then it will be done, and I'm gonna saute it and show you guys how I do my saute red potato. Not much ingredients, but it's really tasty. So here we go guys, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just gonna leave it there to melt. I'm just gonna leave the butter to melt. And then I'm gonna put my potatoes in. My potatoes. And I'm just gonna simply just stir it around to get the butter all over the potatoes. You don't want to stir it too much because you don't want to get it mashed up. So I'll be adding just a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon, not much, or a pinch I should say. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna add some garlic. I got this garlic from Lidl. And I'm just gonna gently stir. I'm gonna gently so that the butter get on the potatoes. And this is only for like 2 minutes because the potato is already boiled and soft. So you just wanted it to be a little bit sauteed, and that's it, all done. Red potato boiled and sauteed. Now I'm gonna plate it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my salmon on the grill because it heats up very quick. As I said, it's a very good grill. It's worth investing having one. And I'm just gonna put the rest of the marinated seasoning on it. Yeah. And this is not gonna take long. This is gonna take about 15 minutes to be done. So now I'm gonna close it down. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my jerk sauce, my jerk barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna rub it over my salmon. Not too much, just for taste. Look how that looks. That looks so good. That looks so good. I'm just gonna close it. So yeah guys, my salmon is almost finished. It's almost finished. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of the jerk sauce on it. A little bit more of the jerk sauce. And I'm just gonna let it stay for 1 minute and then it's gonna be all done. As I'm saying, this is salmon. It doesn't take long to cook. It's very quick and easy. 10 to 15 minutes. Salmon's done. That looks lovely. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close it again just for 1 minute, just to make the sauce brown onto the salmon. It's looking so good. So guys, there you go. Here is my jerk salmon. And my So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the butter. I'm just gonna put the butter over the asparagus. I'm just gonna leave it there. It will melt and then it will go all over it. I'm gonna put one at this side as well. And I'm just gonna close it down. As you can see, the butter is dripping. That's why I said this is really good. This is really good. So yeah, this is my asparagus, my buttered asparagus. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip them over on the other side. Yeah. I'm gonna leave that for about 2 minutes and it's gonna be done. So that's my asparagus all done. All I need to do is plate it up. So guys, stay tuned. Now I'm going to plate up my dish that I've showed you guys how to make. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of the potatoes. You don't want to put too much in your plate. And also you can take some of the butter and just drizzle over it. And I'm going to get my salmon that I've jerked, my jerk salmon. And I'm going to put it on the plate. So that's my jerk salmon there on the plate. Put my jerk salmon on the plate, looking lovely. Don't forget about your buttered asparagus. And I'm just gonna take my butter asparagus and I'm just gonna put it at the side. And that's it. That's you done. Voila! Jerk salmon with bread, butter potatoes, and butter asparagus. Enjoy, guys. Don't forget to look in the description box below for all the recipe, the measurements, and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and let me know if you would like me to show you something else to cook. Whatever it is, I will try my best to cook it and show you how to cook. And thanks again for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy my recipe. Bye now. Subscribe, guys.